Hi, good afternoon to everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, I think all of you install your Python and Jupyter properly. So I'm opening my Jupyter notebook. So Python programming, I'm creating one folder and open the folder, create one notebook. Okay. So title is variables and data types. So today I'm going to start this topic, Python variables and data types. Please be confirmed, my screen is visible. Is my audio is good? So is my screen is visible to you?
It is visible, sir.
Is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah. So first of all, define what is variable. Okay. Simply, it is a memory location. Okay. What the purpose? Used to store data or values. Okay. That is the definition. Simple. Variable, it is a memory location used to store data or values. So for example, I am creating one variable x and contains data step. Okay, here I'm writing comment. X is a variable and it contains value or data 10. Okay, you see there is the equality operator. There is equal symbol or equality operator. On the equality operator, left side you have a variable x. Right side you have its data 10. Okay. Now, if I type x, it will display. Now I type x and run the script. It will display the value x. Okay. When you type x, that variable holds the values. Okay. Similarly, we can also write print command, print x. Print is a command to display the data. Print is a statement to display the data. Inside that, inside the print, I am passing my variable x. Run print x. Okay. Similarly, I can create one more variable y, and I can store one more data 12.5, and I type y, and I execute the cell. The y value is 12.5. You can also print the y value. Print y, run. Okay. And I have one more variable, my name. So I am passing Sastri. Okay. Here, my name is a variable. My name is a variable, and here it contains string or data. Okay. If you want to print that variable, what it contains, if you want to know what that variable will have the values, print my name, select runs, it will display. Otherwise, print my name also, run the command. So that is the definition. X variable is a memory location used to store values. Okay. And it contains values. If I take x is equal to 10, if you want to know what x contains, if you want to know x, what the variable will contain, you can simply type x and run the cell, it will display, or you can also write print x. Similarly, I am taking one more variable y, and I am storing the value inside that variable 12.5. So 12.5 will store it. Similarly, I have one more variable. You can store any type of data. Okay. Next, rules for variable names. Okay. It should not, the variable name should not start with underscore symbol. What is the symbol? Underscore. My laptop, in your laptop or your mobile, you have a underscore sign, underscore symbol, and with the numbers. The variable name should not start with, okay. So you can use combination of alpha numeric. Alpha numeric means you can use alphabets A to Z, small letters or capital letters, numeric values 0 to 9. You can use both combination of alpha and numeric. Your variable name should not purely numeric. It's a combination of alpha plus numeric. Contains only alphabets. Okay. Capital A to Z. You can use any of the capital A to Z or comma small a to small z, any combination. Here I use variable name, my name. Okay. Don't start with, you can use underscore symbol anywhere. Here, for example, I can write here my underscore name also. You can also use underscore, but don't start with the underscore symbol. Okay. So all these are comments links. So very, very important. When you're creating a name to variable, for example, if I write a variable name is 1 to x is equal to, it has some value 125. And if I want to print that variable, what it contains, you see syntax error. Because here the variable name I started with numbers. After that, I have an alphabet x. Okay, not possible. You can use x12. After that, you can print what x12. Let's see. Yeah, accepted. So don't start any variable name with the numbers. Similarly, you can don't use underscore symbol. Don't start with the underscore. Okay. Generally not used. Okay. Simply, it's a combination of alphabets or purely alphabets. Okay, does not purely numbers. The variable name is combination of alphabets, capital letters or small letters, combination of alphabets and numeric, alpha numeric, are only alphabets, but not started with the variable names, not started with the, that is about variables. Simple topic. Variable is a memory location used to store our values. Okay. So different names, examples of variable names. Okay. So just now use X, Y, Z, str1. These are regularly used. My string, my str, value 1, my underscore val, okay, value 2, val 2, okay, IP1, input 1, comma, IP underscore 1, similarly OP1, output 1, comma, OP underscore 1, input 1, if you have one input, input 2, 5, okay, similarly output 5, output 1, okay. So these are the generally used variable names. Okay, anything. So that's a small story of the variables. So no semicolons at the end of statements in Python. Okay, no need of giving any semicolon at the end of the Python like C or C++. Okay, is it clear? Simply variables. So heading. Okay, so that is about variable. VARABLE variables about. What's the next one? You are going to learn. I can add new cell. Now, next topic is data types. Okay, so I can make it as a heading. Okay, next topic is data type. So I will create new cell. So what is the definition of data type? Yeah, data type tells to Python compiler, Python compiler about what type of data being used by programmer. Okay. It's a comment lines. Everything is a comment. So what is the definition of data type? Data type tells to Python compiler about, see, this is important, what type of data being used in the program. Okay, used by program. See, I am ready. In above, I have used some name, some data 10. I know 10 is integer value, but how the Python can understand it is an integer? Similarly, I'm using the data as a human being. 12.5. What is this 12.5? It is a float. Float data. 12.5 is a float. 10 is an integer data. What's the 10? Here you can write comment. 10 is a integer. Okay, I know it. What is your Sastri here? I write some comment. Sastri is a string. I know already, but how a Python can understand all this data? Python can understand whatever you are writing by looking its data type. By looking its data type. Okay. For example, I am writing one variable. I am taking the value again 10. Okay. Now print x. The x will display its value. Now, how do you know its data type? The data type can be identified by the function called type. In Python, we use a function called type. Inside that, you pass your variable. What is your variable? X. Now execute. For execute, what is the command? Shift plus enter button. You see what is output? X contains the value which is a integer. Okay. It is an integer data type. Okay. Similarly, you can take y is equal to some 12.5. You can write print y. After that, you know what is the data type of y? It's a float. Next, val1 is equal to or string1 is equal to hi, welcome. I have some message. Okay. Print the variable string1. string string1. Hi, welcome. What is the data type? To know the data type, use the function type. You have to use the function type of string1. It's a data type of string. Okay. Next, I take another variable z is equal to, I can write true. Okay. Now print z, output is true. What's the data type of z? Bool. True or false? If I take z is equal to false, okay, it's a boolean. So there are 4 data types. How many data types? You have seen int, float, string, str means string, and finally bool. So boolean means true or false, 1 or 0. String means it is a statement, English statements. Anything writing under. In Python, what's the meaning of string? And int is means integer values, float means float values. Okay. Now next, definition of string. Okay. In Python, anything written under single inverted commas or double inverted commas, or sometimes triple quotes. Single quotes, inverted single quote, inverted double quotes, or inverted triple quotes is called string. Okay, that's the definition of string. You see, for example, I write str1 is a variable. I write hi. Okay, str2 is equal to one variable. I am writing 10. And x is equal to one variable. I writing 25. You see here, what's that at now? You write print x, print, sorry, what is the first variable we are printing? Print str1, variable name, str2, print x. So str1 contains the value high, str2 contains the value 10 and 25. And how do you identify data type? To identify data type, what's the function? Type. If I write type of str1, it's a string, because how do you confirm it is string? Because you are written high in single quote. Okay, high in single line. Next, type str2. Type str2. Again, it's a string. See, actually str2 is 10. The value is 10, but you have written the value under single quotes, inverted single quotes. That's why it is a string. str2 is 10. It's since it is a 10, it is not an integer. But because you are written under single quotes, that's why the Python considered as a string. Okay. Next value x is equal to 25. Written on the double quote. Written under double quotes. That's why. What is this? Let's see. Type of x. Again, it's a string. 25 means it's not integer by integer. Because you are written under double quotes, its data type is string. So in Python, whatever you are writing under single quote or double quote or triple quotes, whatever you are writing, whatever you are entering under single quote or double quote or triple quotes, general triple quotes are not used. That is treated as a string. String means it's a statement. Okay, group of alphabets. Suppose if I write x is equal to some 25 now only. Okay, now print x. Now see what's the data type of x. See, this is overwriting. Overwriting. Before x is equal to 25, I written in the double quotes. That's why it is a string. Now I am overwriting that x variable with 25 without double quotes. Now it is an integer. Okay, because you are not using double quotes. It's not string. So earlier it is a string replaced. Whenever you are writing every time, the value of x is updated. Old value is replaced by the new value. Okay, understood? This is about variables and data types. Please ask any doubts. Please comment or type in our chat box. Anybody having?
Sir, can you give an example for float and
So,
bool?
bool, true or false?
True means bool, right?
True means bool, false means bool. Bool means either true or false.
Okay.
So
What
when
about float?
generally we are using in the conditional statements, it can understood by you. Okay.
No, what about
What about
float?
float, sir?
Float.
Float means decimal values 35.5,
Okay.
10.8, integer
Okay.
value, point decimal values. Okay. And
Okay.
integer means only no decimals, no dot point decimals. Integers means 20, 38, 48, 55,
Mm-hmm.
768. Float values means 25.538, 10.05, 5.0. Okay, decimal values. Strings means it is a statements. Hi, how are you? Whatever you're writing on the single quote, double quote, or triple quote, it is a integer
String.
string, and true or false is a boolean.
Got it, sir.
Mm. So the first basic concept, okay, variables and data types. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now let's move to the next topic. I close this. Okay. Save this file. I open another file. So close this file. Okay. Just I will open. So all of you maintain your files in one folder. You see, under this is your root directory, Jupyter root directory. I created so many folders just now in front of you. You select new and create a folder. After that, rename that folder Python programming. And you see where is my CLRI? Actually, this is my folder, CliniLaunch Research Institute CLRI folder. Inside this CLRI folder, again I have a one more folder. Just now I created today, Python programming folder. In this, I have given your first program variables and data types. Okay. Now in this folder, I will open another Jupyter file. I will open one more Jupyter file. Okay. Let's see operators. The title of the Jupyter notebook is arithmetical operators. Okay, this is a rename. I renamed the file. Operators, arithmetical operators. Okay. So what is operator? Okay, this is my heading. Okay, I will select new cell. What is operator? Simple definition. Operators are symbols available in keyboard. Okay, symbols. What's the purpose? Used to perform mathematical computations. Logical, mathematical, and logical computations. I use hash symbol. Okay. So that is the definition. Operator is nothing but symbols. Symbols available in our keyboard. You see in our keyboard,
Hash,
there are so many symbols
percentage.
are available. Okay. That is the definition. Next, what are the arithmetical operators? Okay. I use one more. So the symbols are arithmetical operator symbols are plus symbol available in your keyboard, minus symbol, star product, by symbol, double by, percentage symbol, and double star. So these symbols are used to perform what type of operations? Arithmetical operations. Arithmetical operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, percentage, and I will show you what is the meaning of addition okay symbol. What is the addition symbol? Plus. Addition symbol plus, or plus means addition symbol. You can write like this. Okay. Plus means addition symbol. Minus means subtraction. Subtraction operation. Addition operation. Addition. Subtraction operation. Similarly, hash means comment. Star means multiplication. Also called as or product also. What is the other name? Product. Product means multiplication. Next, hash symbol. By means division. So what is the division? If you are doing division, you will have two outputs, quotient and remainder. View quotient is output. Okay. And comment line, you have double slash and double forward slash. This is called floor division. Quotient output without decimal value. Okay. Hash symbol percentage. This is called modulus operation. Modulus. Okay. It is also division. And output is remainder. Very, very important. That is the difference between division single by single slash, floor division double slash, and percentage symbol modulus operation. All are three are divisions. Basically, all three are division operations. They divided. In single division, quotient is output. You have both integer value and decimal values, like float output. Okay, output is float value. Output is float. But your output is int value. Output is integer. And modulus also, okay, it's also division. But what is the output? Remainder is the output. I will explain with an examples. Okay. And what is the last one? Slash symbol double star. It's a exponent. It is a power, or also called as exponent. Okay. So that is the definitions of all operators. Addition operation, subtraction, multiplication, division, never. Now let us see with one examples. Let us take, I will take x is equal to some 12 and y is equal to some 5. Now I will do x plus y. After that I will do x minus y. All operations I can perform. X star y. After that division x by y. X double slash y. Okay. After that x percentage y. X double star y. Okay. You write print everything. Print x plus y. Sorry, I'm not doing a print operation. Print x plus y. Print x minus y. Print x into y. Print x by y. Print x double slash y. Print x percentile y. Print all these values. You see, x plus y. This plus symbol is used for addition operation. 17 output. Minus is used for subtraction operation. I am using symbols minus. To perform subtraction, I am using the symbol minus. Similarly, for multiplications, I use star 12 into 560. And for division, I use slash, forward slash. You have a 12 by 5. What is 12 by 5? Output is float value 2.4. You see division, output is float value. Next, x double slash y. X double slash y. So I tell you, actually, what is the meaning of? So 5 is there. Okay. And 12 is there. 5 to the 10. 2, 20, and 20, 2.4. Okay. So this is the division operation, normal division. What is the output for normal division? 2.4. For floor division, double slash. For floor division, you do not have this 2.4. You do not have this 2.4, only you have an integer value, this integer value. Decimal value is discarded, decimal value is removed, that is floor division. And modulus operation. For modulus operation, you see you do not have all these things. Simply it will do only one time modulus operation. Okay. It will do only one time. 5 dividing with 12. 5 2s are 10. And remainder is 2. Modulus operation, remainder is output. What's the remainder here? 2. That's why you're getting here modulus operation. And x power 5, that is power operation. 12 power 5, 12 into 12 into 12 into 12 into 5. 12 is written 5 times, multiplied by 5 times. Its value is 248832. Got it, everyone? Understood? This is about division, very, very important. Division, floor division, modulus. See, the bottom 4 are very, very important. First 3 can understood anyone, plus, minus, into. You have to, division also can understood. These 4 are very, very important, the differences. What difference of division, floor division, modulus, and exponent of division, simple normal division, output is float value. Some 4.0, 5.2, 5.8, like this. Double slash, floor division, decimal point is discarded. If 5 is original output, 0.8 is removed. Only output is integer 5. And modulus operator, remainder is output. Remainder, so many cases we will check remainder value. Okay. And double star is the power operator. Okay, understood? But this is
Sir,
about arithmetic. Yes.
excuse me, sir. Could you please repeat one more time?
So operators are nothing but symbols in your laptop keyboards or desktop keyboards. Using that symbols, we perform arithmetical and logical operations. For arithmetical operators, the symbols are plus symbol, minus symbol, star, forward slash for division, two forward slashes for floor division, percentage symbol for modulus operation, double star is for power or exponent. Okay, plus addition of two parameters values, minus subtraction, star means multiplication, it will do the star. So by means floor division, slash means floor division, x by y. Simply output is 12 by 5. What is output? 2.4. Output is 2.4. Double slash means this 0.4 is removed, only integer values. Okay, percentage means remainder is output. If you are dividing 12 with 5, 5 2 is 10, remainder is 2. That remainder output is for percentage modulus operator. And double star means exponent or power, 12 power 5. 12 into 12 into 12 into 12 into 12. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
By seeing this, okay, what is the 17 output relates to which operation? Here 17 output relation to which operation? Addition or subtraction or multiplication, division?
Addition.
Yeah, very good. For 7 output,
Subtraction.
because the numbers are very simple numbers, that's why by seeing you can understand. But I will not show anything. Okay, please be mute yourself, everyone. I'm not showing any input data. I'm only showing your output. Now I'm asking 17 is related to which value? It is multiplication value or subtraction or division? I'm asking 2.4 related to which value? It's a subtraction or division. I'm not showing your input data or input code. Only I'm showing you result and tell me what type of operations you perform. Because you will not guess, because these are only numbers. Your output does not contain any statements. Your output result does not contain any statements. That's why one more way to write your output values, one more print statements are, okay. Okay, you're writing okay. So I copy the same code and paste in the other cell. In the print statement, you see, I remove all the print statements. Everyone, please observe how I am writing print in double quotes. Double quotes means it's a string. Whenever you display any statement, whenever you want to display any statement in the console or output, you write as a string. So what I am writing, I will write x plus y. So what it will do, it will display as is. It will display in the print in the console or in output, it will display as is. After that, I will pass my variable. What is the variable? Addition operation. I will pass x plus y. I am better point of view. Still, you are getting some confused. Just see, this is A, this is B. Print A plus B. I am writing C is equal to A plus B. Now you see, oh, okay, I have two variables. So I will write some colon or is equal to also. A plus B is equal to 17. Is it more meaningful or not compared to previous one? Okay, you have two variables and more values. You can also write. You can also print input data in double quotes. A is equal to this. A is equal to will print as is, comma, you pass your variable. What is the variable? Regarding A is equal to, the variable is A. Similarly, print B is equal to, comma, B. Now you see, A is equal to 12, B is equal to 5. Okay, you are doing A plus B addition. The value is 17. Similarly, you can write all the values. C is equal to A plus B, D is equal to A minus B. You can take any number of variables. You can take any number of variables. No problem. Here A and B are called input variables because it contains input data. C, D, E, F all are results. C, D, E, F all are called results. They are called output variables. Okay. E is equal to A star B. F is equal to A by B. F after G is equal to A double floor division. H is equal to modulus operation. A percentage B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I is equal to, what is the last one? A star star B. Now you see very clearly, print A minus B is equal to, comma, which variable related to A minus B here? Now what I have to pass here for A minus B? What is the variable related to A minus B?
D.
D. Okay, you can pass that corresponding variable D. Okay, now you see A minus B is equal to 7. Okay, similarly you write for remaining print statements. A into B is equal to comma
E.
E. Okay, print in remember, because A star B is equal to, you're writing on the double quotes, it will display as it is, and comma D, whatever D assigned value is displayed. D is equal to A minus B, D is equal to A minus B, 12 minus 7 and 12 minus 5. So D value is 7 here. Okay. Similarly, A by B, comma E after F, print A by B means A double floor B, F after G, print A modulus B. So I can write is equal to, okay, is equal to GHI, print, okay, print A, what is the double quotes, A star star B is equal to comma, sorry, A percentage B H, okay,
H.
H here. Now run the cell. Okay, run the cell, click the, select your cell, click your cell and select run option. That particular cell is running. Now you see your output, it is more elaborated, and by seeing anyone can understood. Okay, you are taking two input data, 12 and 5. The two input data is stored in two variables A and B. After that you are doing some addition operation, A plus B 17, A minus B, everything. It's so simple. Okay, that all the values are displayed. Okay, whatever you're displaying, that should be some meaningful. That should be some more elaborated and some meaningful. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt here.
Yeah, yeah.
So, what
Okay.
advantage is
Now everyone can write your, raise your, ask your doubts or commenting right in chat board also. Just tell me.
yeah? So, actually, what you are explaining, yeah, it is very clear. Okay, but so just one doubt here is what advantage we are getting by passing that H I or whatever it may be. So, what is an
Advantage
advantage?
in the sense.
Means what additionally we are getting an output here.
Yeah. So by seeing itself, okay, you are doing some addition operation. Earlier 17. In
Yeah.
previous case, it is 17. Now tell me, what is the 17 value which belongs to which one? Addition or subtraction or multiplication? If you are saying addition, I will argue with you. No, it is a subtractive value.
Okay. So
Okay.
suppose
How do you
print.
convince with me?
Yeah, if you keep print directly that whatever the equal we have written in up,
Hmm.
so it cannot display these values a equal to c equal to a plus b. That will not display.
C is equal to A plus B.
Suppose
C is
you
equal to
keep,
A plus B is your code. This is our logic.
yeah,
C is equal to A plus B is your code. Enter this is your logic or code. The code will not display. Always we are displaying input data and output data. Input and
yeah,
output only displayed.
yeah, output will has to be displayed.
Hmm.
Suppose print the first one is a plus b equal to, so you have given a comma c.
Yeah.
Suppose we have not written c.
You
So
can
what?
also write A plus B.
If you write an a plus b, so then the output will be directly will get an addition value.
Yeah,
Will
yeah.
not get any a
So
plus B
this is
equal.
the, no, yeah, that is also correct. So increment operators, the increment plus plus minus minus not there in the here, like C language or C++. Okay, plus plus minus minus not there here. So I will
Okay.
show you also this output. This is the one way I am writing. Now, one question here, total how many variables are used in this code? How many variables? I used A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. 9 variables I used. 9 storing. I used 9 variables in this code. Okay, everyone got it? 9 variables are used in this code. Okay, and I am doing the arithmetical operations.
There are only 7, sir.
Why 7? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Only
A
7,
and
huh?
B is A and B is not.
They are not variables.
No, this is variables. Yeah,
Yeah, I am asking how many variables.
I thought it is symbols. Asking about
What?
you're asking about symbols.
Not symbols. Okay, 7 symbols and 9 variables. Okay. Okay, 9 variables are used in this code. Okay, everyone, please remember. Tomorrow we will write code very efficiently. You can write your program with minimum number of variables. Okay, this is the basic way of writing code. So I will share this file. Okay. Okay, any doubts?
So
Anyone?
this is my first class. How do I go to this Jupyter page?
You install your Python and Jupyter.
No, I'm not installed. So this is my first class.
Okay, tomorrow I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, right.
It's already time over.
Fine. Okay, right.
Okay, tomorrow I will show you first 5 minutes how to install Python and Jupyter. Otherwise, you do one thing, go to any YouTube video or 5 minutes video. How to
Yeah,
First of all, you need Windows 10 OS. Your laptop should have a operating system, Windows 10 or Windows 11, and
okay,
64-bit processor. These two are required. Open
okay,
any YouTube link, how to install Python and Jupyter. You type in
okay.
YouTube, your 5 minutes video will display. You can follow that instructions. Okay.
So
It's a,
this is your second day class, sir? Second or third day, sir?
so this is the class 3, day 3.
Class day 3. Okay,
Okay. Go through
okay, sir.
some YouTube video. If you are not unable to install, tomorrow I will discuss.
Okay, right, sir.
So
Sir, one more doubt here.
yeah. Tell me.
So could you please just given some maybe how it will be useful in AML or in code writing? This all these basics, just to understand very peripherally.
Actually, machine learning data science generally dealing with data. Okay, machine learning and data science, what you have some input raw data. You have to analyze the data, identify the trends and hidden patterns in the data. Suppose I have a data with a data set. Suppose I have a Excel sheet. Everyone know Excel sheet? That suppose that Excel sheet has 100 values and 10 columns.
Mm-hmm.
100 values and 10 columns. And I want to create a new column. Suppose I have a height and weight. You have
Mm-hmm.
a height column, person's height and person's weight. And I
Mm-hmm.
want to add one more column, BMI.
Okay.
Height into weight is equal to BMI. At that time, I will do the multiplication. Similarly, and real-time exposure, you can take all sales data set. You have a total summing cost, total manufacture cost, and I want profit. How do you get profit? Manufacture cost minus selling cost. There you are doing subtraction. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Now let's just hold a second. I will. In LMS itself, see history, you can see videos of previous. So all of you join through LMS portal. Gayatri.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You join through LMS portal. Huh? Google, I will join. Do one thing. Okay, sure. I lost here. I have not downloaded. Okay. Okay, tomorrow just leave, no problem. Tomorrow I will share all my documents. Okay, by continuing this. Okay. I have no option here from my files. I go through it. So tomorrow I will share how to. Otherwise, just open here. Python programming. Select both. Download. Okay, select download. Okay, both are downloaded. Now go to the new file upload. Variables and data types. New file upload. Fundamental operators. Okay, now chart history. I can go to Google Drive. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Go sign in with Google. June sign in. Okay, tomorrow I will share you by I have some issues. I'm unable to drop the messages. Okay. Tomorrow I will share all my details. Okay. With this, I'm ending my session.